This is your North Coast Neighborhood Forecast.
Hello everyone, meteorologist Mike Kruger here. Here's your weekend edition of your North Coast Neighborhood Forecast. Just want to real briefly go through the watches and warnings out there because there are a lot of elements we got to talk about for today and even into tomorrow. So we do have a flood watch here for today through Saturday morning. That is for southern Humboldt County, but I do expect to see the potential for mudslides, debris flows, and some localized flooding, especially along the creeks, streams, and rivers. There are also some gusty winds here, especially for, I expect the strongest winds today and into tonight. And then, of course, things should get a little bit better after that. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. You've got the overcast skies, steady rain for the inland areas and coast pretty much throughout the day today, and temperature is not changing much either. And there's steady rain is all thanks to this moisture heading right into Northern California, area of low pressure tapping into that, and it's all just coming together, giving us that rain. So showers today, tomorrow, but I do expect to see a drier day for your Sunday before the next storm system, the third storm system, comes in on Monday. Taking a look at Futurecast, there's that steady rain. Now, it will be heavier at times than others, but you get the idea. You've got that rain steady throughout the day. By tonight and into tomorrow morning, we start to see some breaks in there, but still some periods of heavy rainfall and maybe even some isolated thunderstorms here as we take you through Saturday afternoon. By Saturday, 6 p.m., we're drying things out. Maybe a lingering shower in the evening, but otherwise Sunday looks dry. But there it is, the next storm system that'll be approaching us as we go into Sunday night and Monday. There are the winds. By the noon hour, look at the gusty winds that we're seeing out there. Even at 5 p.m., 30, even over 40 miles per hour are a very good possibility. And stronger winds are a possibility as well. But there you can see by Saturday morning, winds not much of a factor. Still a little breezy on Saturday afternoon, but overall, see how the winds are much better. A little breezy going into your Sunday, but again, not quite the extent that we're seeing here for today and tonight. We also have a coastal flood warning until 11 o'clock today for high astronomical tides. Not because of the rain, but because of the high tides that we've got out there. So just be aware of that if you have to be out on the ocean or the beach. Here's a marine forecast. South winds at 25 to 35 knots. Very gusty out there. Waves from the south at 2 feet at 9 seconds. And from the west at 14 feet at about 12 seconds. There is that gale watch here for today. All right, let's take a look at your North Coast neighborhood forecast. 51 degrees for Miranda, 52 out in Garberville, and 51 degrees in Redcrest. We take you up north. 55 in Ferndale, 51 for Rio Dell and Fortuna, about 54 degrees. Let's take you up north with 54 for Blue Lake, 55 in Trinidad, and 48 degrees for Hoopa. There's that break on Sunday, and then drying out for Tuesday through really the rest of next week. 46 out in Gas Key, 51 for Orleans, Oric about 51, and Klamath about 52 degrees. There's your 7-day outlook for Eureka. Showers today and tomorrow. We get a break, though, on Sunday, and then more showers. One last storm system on Monday, weaker, by the way, and then, of course, drying out for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.